What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, today we got another upload. We got two uploads in one day. Coach is going ahead. We're double uploading because if you haven't seen the last video, go ahead and check it out. But if you didn't see the last video because I posted it way too early, this is why I'm making this video. So better late than never. Coach is going to go over a ton of other stocks we didn't mention previously. So I want you guys to lock in. I want you guys to focus in this video. It's all about building that generational wealth to continue on for years and years. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on my post notifications on so you're notified every time I post. But guys, like I said, we got a ton of stocks to talk about. And guys, let's go ahead and make a ton of money this week. If you guys are ready to make some money with me, let me know down below in the comments, okay? Let me know down below in the comments, guys. Let's go ahead and kick this video off with ticker symbol FGL. Guys, FGL is sitting at $1.46. We got some news on this one, okay? So Coach is going to read it out. Founder Group enters the $180 billion AI market with AI-powered drone technologies for solar farm inspections. Guys, this stock right here, Founder Group Limited, is entering a huge market, okay? So I want you guys to put this one on your radar, sitting at 146 right now. Now, let's get into the other stocks. Guys, this time I'm gonna kick it off with ticker symbol META. Meta Platform, guys, is sitting at 604.80. This one's up 17 cents overnight. So I need you guys to take a look at this, okay? Take a look at the 1 week chart, up almost 1% in the past week, guys. Meta is looking to reclaim that $610 level, okay? I'm not bearish on Meta. I'm only bearish on Meta if it falls below 600, but right now it's pushing towards that 610 level. So I need you guys to take a look at this, okay? We got some clear resistance at 620, but we got to go ahead and reach $608 for this. If we reach $608, we're going to be pushing for 610. Then it's a clear way to 620, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at the options real quick. Let's hit trade options. Let's go over to January 10, guys, and take a look at this. We're going to switch from put to call, okay? We're going to be looking at the 610 call and also the 615 call sitting at 460, okay? So if I see a break above 608, consider the 615 call 110 sitting at 460 right now, okay, guys? That's the play for Meta. If it goes below 600, if it goes below that, okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the 595 put or even the 590 put sitting at 335 for a contract, okay? So that's for Meta, guys. There's plenty of other stocks I haven't mentioned. Let's go ahead and go over them right now. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol RDDT. We got Reddit stock right here, guys. Take a look at the 1 week. It is up 3% in the past week. After making a strong move on Friday, I need you guys to take a look at ticker symbol RDDT. Take a look at this, and went from 162 all the way up to 179. So for this stock, we're looking for the break above 180. So if Reddit breaks above 180, it's going to go ahead, make that push towards all-time highs. So I'm going to need you guys to look for this week's call option, okay? Take a look at the 185 call option sitting at 365 right now, okay? If you guys are more bullish on Reddit and want more time, pick a higher strike price and pick a higher expiration. All right, take a look at the 190 call that's sitting at 510 right now for Reddit. And if Reddit goes ahead, breaks below 175, we're gonna go ahead and play the downside with some puts. So I want you guys to take a look at January 10. Let's take a look at the 170 put sitting at 310. That is for Reddit stock, guys. Once again, guys, I want to go quickly over ticker symbol AMD. This one, I'm looking for the stock to move up to 130 after smashing previous weeks of consolidation and resistance. We broke through 127. Take a look at this, guys. On the month, it is down 10% on AMD. For AMD, they're presenting in CES 2025. So I'm gonna need you guys to take a quick look at AMD. We're gonna be looking at hit trade options. We're gonna be looking at the January 10 $130 call option sitting at 98 cents currently, okay? If AMD breaks through 128, consider looking at the $130 call option. On the downside, if we go back below 125, take a look at the 125 put sitting at 233 right now. Guys, also take a look at Nvidia as we're taking a look at AMD, sitting up $1 overnight. Okay, this one we're seeing the market have a little bit of pullback after being up $1.76. But if Nvidia comes back down to 143, okay, be sure to look out for the $150 call options for Nvidia. This one has yet again another huge catalyst because of CES 2025. So be on the lookout for Nvidia to make another all-time high in the short term. Nvidia is going to go ahead and present a ton of new artificial intelligence news, a lot of catalysts for Nvidia to go up. So guys, take a look at trade options once again for Nvidia. We're going to be taking a look at the 150 calls. If Nvidia pulls back to 138, we're going to be looking for the 140 calls yet again. Okay, so for this one, Nvidia's 150 call is sitting at 144 currently. Okay, depending on how it breaks tomorrow, we could be seeing an upside on Nvidia. Okay, so I want you guys to pay a quick look at Nvidia. And also, if Nvidia breaks 140, be on the lookout. All right, be on the lookout for the 135 put that's sitting at $60, guys. Nvidia has a major move upside, but in the fact that, or in the case that it goes to the downside, be on the lookout for puts, guys. Also, if you didn't catch the last video, major watch for Apple stock. After being down 4% on negative news for Apple, this one I'm going to be looking for a reversal. So if Apple goes ahead, breaks over $244.50, Coach is going to be looking for some calls. Okay, so let's go ahead and trade options. Let's go ahead and look at the January 10 calls. Take a look, okay? Considering take a look at the 245 calls for those who want to play closer to the money, or let's go ahead and take a look at the 250 calls that are sitting at $46 a contract. Okay, either one of these looks good for tomorrow. So guys, consider taking a look at Apple. But in case of the fact that it breaks below, okay, if it breaks below 242, guys, mark this on your lines. Okay, mark this on your chart, mark this for support, $242 as support. Apple has a huge support at $242. So in the case that it does make a reversal, hitting back down 242, if it breaks below 242, consider looking at the $240 put sitting at 122. Okay, so those are both the levels for Apple. If it goes above 244.50, Coach is going to be looking for calls. If it breaks below 242, go back right down. I'm going to be looking for the 240 calls. Okay, all right guys, Coach is going to put some new stocks on the radar as well. We got ticker symbol ARM. This is ARM Holdings PLC, sitting up 0.55% overnight. Guys, this one is looking for a consolidation break to the upside. So take a look at this, up 10% in the past week. On Friday, it was sitting at 128. It went all the way to the upside at 141. So guys, for this one, this is down 0.11% in the past month. If we can get a break above 142, we are going to be looking for 145 calls for a date listed above. So guys, take a look at this 3 months. It is up 0.47%. So you guys see that we had a double bottom right here. We bounced from the double bottom. Now we're trying to look to break this double top right here. Okay, so let's take a look at the monthly chart once again, down 15 cents. Let's take a look at trade options. Okay, we're bullish on the stock, so we're gonna be looking for 145 calls sitting at $4 right now. Or if you guys want to play short dated, look at the 145 call sitting at $2.13. This one is a breakout trade because of the fact that we had a double bottom. We broke out that consolidation. This one is looking to ramp up even higher. Next up, we got ticker symbol TSM. This is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, sitting up $6 overnight. Guys, this one has earnings next week, so I'm gonna need you guys to take a look at the 220 calls. Okay, so let's take a look at the 1 week, up 6% in the past week. In the past month, it is up 8%. So this one is setting to break all-time highs yet again. So guys, I want you guys to take a look at trade options. Okay, let's take a look at the January 17 call options for 220, sitting at nearly $4 right now. Okay, so this one is an earnings run-up play as well as an all-time high break. So you can see that we broke out of the previous all-time high, sitting now at 214.40. So I'm gonna need you guys to keep TSM on your watch list. Another stock to take a look at overnight is going to be ticker symbol RIVN. This one's sitting at $16.54. On Friday, it's had a major move from $13 all the way up to $16 and now $16.54. So I'm gonna need you guys to put Rivian on your radar. If it goes ahead, breaks $17, look for the $18 call option. This one is a breakout, okay? This one had a yearly resistance trend in the making of 2 years, and it's finally breaking out. So I'm gonna need you guys to take a look at Hit Trade Options. January 10, let's take a look at the $18 call option sitting at $28, okay? So if you see Rivian breaking out $17, look for a continuation towards that $18 push, guys. This is, once again, a continuation play. This is a yearly downtrend, a 2-year downtrend breakout play. So I'm gonna need you guys to look at ticker symbol RIVN, okay? So guys, take a look at this too, okay? Take a look at this. This one IPO'd all the way at 106, and you could see for the past 5 years, it's been down 84%. So once we see that 1 year, we got a resistance to break at 1750 as well. So we're going to be looking for the $18 call options tomorrow. If Rivian goes ahead, goes past $17, we're going to be looking at $18 call options to play a 2-year, yearly breakout trade. Okay guys, lastly, we're going to be going over ticker symbol OKLO. This one is a new stock to put on your guys' radar, okay? On the week, it is up 21%. On the month, it is up 33% in the past month, and we're going for breakout after breakout, all-time high after all-time high. This one, be on the lookout for $30 calls above $28, okay? So I'm gonna hit trade options, guys. We're gonna be looking at the $30 call options that's sitting at $79 right now, okay? But that's if OKLO goes above $28. We're gonna go ahead, take a look at $30 call options, $28 being the resistance for OKLO, all right? So in the case it reverses, right? In case it reverses below, let's go ahead and pull up the charts right here. If it breaks below $27, let's go ahead and look for the $26 puts, okay? Let's go ahead and pull this up right now. Let's go ahead and pull this up. $26 put sitting at 117. So I'm gonna need you guys to take a look at both of these options, okay? Actually, the last stock we're gonna be going over is ticker symbol SOFI. You guys have been emailing Coach about this one, so we're gonna go ahead, take a quick look at this before we go ahead and end off this episode. So take a look at ticker symbol SOFI, up 2.56% overnight. Guys, SOFI has one of the biggest cup and handles Coach has seen in quite a while. So guys, take a look at this on 1 year. It is up 82%. But on the 3-month, you could see that it has double resistances right here at 1660. So this one is looking for a break above $17. Above $17, we're gonna go ahead, target for $18 on SoFi. A lot of dips have been bought up at $14 previously. So I need you guys, if SoFi goes to $14, take a look at SoFi, okay? It loves to bounce off this $14 level. And also, in the past month, it's down 4.5%, guys. Take a look at SoFi right here. If SoFi climbs up to 1664, if it breaks 1670, take a look for the move to $70 on SoFi. And also take a look at the $18 move for SoFi. This one, in the past 5 years, okay, it hit $20 before. So we're making that slow move up. Huge cup and handle once again. So I'm gonna need you guys to take a look at ticker symbol SOFI, okay? Take a look at trade hit options, right? Take a look at the January 17th. This one, I like to go more out. Take a look, all right? Take a look at the $16 call sitting at $30 at the moment, okay? This one is gonna be more of a swing trade than a day trade, but this one's consolidating pretty well. It showed great strength on Friday. So that's ticker symbol SOFI. But guys, this was it today. Coach went ahead, did a night video as we usually do. If you didn't catch the one in the morning, make sure to go ahead, catch this next one as well after market close. I'm gonna try my best to make these videos early as possible. I know you guys, a lot of you guys are, heading to bed right now. So we're gonna try to push out the videos in the afternoon. So hopefully you guys like that adjustment. And guys, always make sure, always make sure to do your own due diligence, research, and watch the charts too, okay? I need you guys to be looking at the charts. Hopefully you mark down your supports and resistances for all the stocks you're looking at. And guys, also make sure to manage your risk too when trading stocks. Let's go ahead and make this week an amazing week. yet again. We got so much important catalysts this week, so let's go ahead and lock in, guys. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. To watch another video, click right here. And also turn on my notifications so you know every time I post. Guys, Coach takes many hours to look at all these plays. So guys, hit that like button. It'd be greatly appreciated. And also, if you could subscribe, that would also be greatly appreciated. I believe in each and every one of you. Let's go ahead and crush this market Monday. More uploads are coming this week. I'll see y'all later. Coach out.